geometry students to class today on this Wednesday, the 11th. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you've enjoyed your 4 days off of classes, and I hope you're ready to get started again with math. These announcements that I'm about ready to make, you are totally responsible for. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's take a look at your schedule for the week. And you are more than welcome to write down this information. You don't have to, that's up to you. Today we're going to just do homework only. Thursday we're going to take notes and have homework, okay? On Friday we're going to have a quiz and take a look at notes and also do homework, okay? And so that's what we're going to do this week. There will be a quiz on Friday, so make note of that. You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you on Friday. Friday was notes only. Incomplete. And by the way, let me back up and say this. If you guys did not finish the video on Friday, then of course finish it today and go on from there. Incompletes. Okay, there was a notes check on Friday. Now, Jaden, Cody, and Jaron, I don't want you guys to email Miss Chambers if any of these young men were not in class on Friday. Please let me know that so I can take away their zeros, okay? If they weren't there, they obviously can't take the notes check. And by the way, are y'all listening to me? If you were absent Friday and we did a notes check today, which we're not going to do, but if we did, you would have to take the notes check today, because if you were absent Friday, it was your job to watch the video before you came to class today. Don't forget that. On Thursday, I gave you this assignment here, and I also gave you test corrections on Thursday. Jaden, Cody, and Jaron, I did not get this assignment from you. You have until Friday to turn it in, or it'll be a permanent zero. Brandon, I did not get your test corrections. Don't forget, Brandon, when you turn this in, you must turn your test in also with your test corrections. And, you have until Friday to get this turned in, or it will become a permanent zero. If you miss a day of class, you go to this website here, and you type in the date that you missed. Up will pop the information video, and from there you'll know what to do. If you come into class and we're having a test or a quiz or whatever, a notes check, you will take it, because it's your job to be caught up when you come into class, unless you pre-contact me. Homework only today. Homework only. The homework today is page 488, 17 through 19, 24 through 31, and 36 through 41. Okay? That's your homework for today. The problems are not easy. I want you to show your work today. Mr. Earhart, you've never made us show our work. Well, there's 2 or 3 reasons I'm doing that. Number one, this is my least reason, but I've heard there are some students copying answers out of the back of the book. Look, that's a really not very smart decision, because you're going to have a great homework average, and your test or quiz average probably isn't going to be very good. Okay, even though the math is pretty easy, that we do in here for the most part, you're still not going to know the math as well as you should, okay? But there's even a deeper reason. When I give homework, like the homework help video today, is about 50 to 55 minutes long. I think it's 50 minutes. Now, I want to say to you that I don't want to leave my supervising teacher, Miss Chambers, or whoever's there today, with like 20 minutes of free time at the end of the class period for students to goof off. We're not going to have that at all. Not in my class, okay? So, when I say show your work, here's what I mean. You're going to be finding surface areas today. And by the way, you've not had this since Friday. You're probably going to need to watch the homework help video, okay? But when you find the area of a rectangular prism like this, in your homework, I want you to list out all 6 sides. You're going to write top, bottom, right, left, front, back. Find the area of each one, and then add them up for your final answer. Okay? Alright. If you're given a problem in your homework like this, okay, list out all the sides. You've got a top, you've got a bottom. Well, actually, let's see. I'm not sure here what words I used when I taught this video on Friday. This is right out of your notes on Friday, but I would call this a right, left, front, back, and bottom. But either way, you list out 5 sides. There's 5 sides. Show their area, add it up, and then there's the answer. Okay. I want your answers to be correct. Okay. You have the video to help you. If you're given the volume or the surface area of a cylinder, use your formula. So, Mr. Arrowhead, how do we show work on this? Well, you write the formula out, and then bring down a 2, bring down a pi, put the radius in like this, bring down the 2, bring down the pi, bring down the height, and then with the calculator, type this in, get this, type this in, get this, and then add them together and get this, okay? Now, that's just how it's going to be. And so, Miss Chambers, if someone tells you they're done today, if someone's not working, they say they're done, then please check their homework and make sure they've shown their work just like that on every problem. And let me tell you something else. Today's a Wednesday. I'm using a mouse here, so it's hard to write, but today is a Wednesday, which means I can't give you homework, which is fine. I totally understand that, okay? But I want everyone to work the entire class period, Miss Chambers, okay? And then tomorrow, depending on how many students aren't done, and Miss Chambers, you can email me and tell me how many aren't done. I might give you the first 10 or 15 minutes tomorrow to finish it, okay? But either way, I do not want you to work on this tonight. I want you to go to church, okay? You are not to work on this homework tonight. Work hard in class. And then, if you're not finished, we can work on that tomorrow, but I do not want to give you Wednesday homework, okay? Alright, hope this makes sense. Let's continue on. Now, the homework video is lesson 9.2 homework. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions. This information, or these problems are not easy. You're going to have to work hard, and please be willing to do that.